Here we've got all the different components of the WaterMate irrigation system. This is the Pro version with a larger inline pump. The inlet filter goes into the bottom of your water tank or your water butt and then runs with this flexible braided hose to a secondary filter which is on the inlet side of the pump. So from the outlet side of the pump, with more braided hose, we come to the inlet of your twin water valves, and then from the outlet of the valves you can either go directly to your slightly stiffer LDPE, or you can add an extra section of braided hose if you wanted to run around some corners first. So that's the Pro system. The Mini system is slightly different. The Mini system has got a pump, and the pump itself drops into the bottom of the water tank. And then from the pump, you'd run some of the soft, flexible braided hose out to a water filter. And that inline filter goes between the pump and the inlet of the water valves. The next thing is the control unit. This is the brains of the system. This is a solar-powered model. And inside here, we've got a powerful battery. We've got the ability to connect a pump, our dual zone water valves, temperature sensor, and the solar power coming in. We also do a mains-powered model, which has got an external power supply and a few more outputs for extra pumps, heaters, or lights. With every WaterMate, you get a temperature sensor, and that lets the system water more on hot days and less on cold days to give your plants exactly what they need. We supply you with a hole punch, and that's used to poke holes in your LDPE pipe. You can fit sprayers directly into these holes, screw them in, or you can put a little barb adapter. So pop the barb adapter in, fit some of your 4mm irrigation hose, and then run that down, usually via a tap, to a loop of drippers. So those drippers are then held in the right position in the ground by ground stakes. If you make a mistake when you're putting holes in your LDPE pipe, we supply little plugs to fill up those holes. We also supply a large range of fittings and joiners, so we use premium 3-barbed ones to make sure that connections stay tight on a hot day when the pipe's also getting a bit softer.